Attach the microtip to the single push pipette. Do not touch the microtip with your hand while fixing it to the pipette. Transfer 6 microliter of the elute from the ECT into the master mix tube as shown. Allow the master mix tube to stand for 30 seconds to get a clear solution. Do not mix by tapping, shaking or reverse pipetting. After 30 seconds, transfer the elute from the master mix tube to the white reaction well of the chip. Discard the micropipette tip using the auto ejector in the pipette. Press the start button and the tray retracts. The test run will be completed in 60 minutes.